Immersion is the opportunity, first of all, to walk into an existing school and the privilege to sit in a classroom with students as well as teachers who have at least a year, and in some cases multiple years of experience teaching with this methodology and this philosophy, and just to observe what that looks like.
When you come into an experience like this and you teach a lesson to the other teachers and you get feedback from these ladies who've been doing this for a long time, you see not just the how-to, but why they did it that way. That's been really valuable.
It has renewed my appreciation, my excitement, and my understanding of just how important it is to be led by the Holy Spirit.
To learn as a teacher that we're not supposed to be there to just give them all the answers and tell the children what they're supposed to learn. We present the information and then stand aside and let them create that relationship. And I think that's difficult when you've been trained in a different way. That's one of the greatest benefits of being here, is being able to actually see and feel the culture.
I think my favorite part about teaching with the Charlotte Mason method specifically is I get to tap into my inner child with them during those moments of wonder and awe.
If you can just spend a few minutes in the classroom like what we've done, or view it through what we've captured here, you almost can't want to educate your children any other way.
If I were to sum up a Charlotte Mason education, it is the education that parents wish they could have had when they were a child.
Loving to learn is how we grow as persons, and it's vital to not just ourselves, but it's vital to our nations and our world. And we have the chance to give them that in this method and philosophy.